Introducing Buckingham Branch's bulk transload facility at Doswell, Virginia. Developed on 6 acres of railroad property, the facility features 3 tracks with 15 railcar spots available for transloading. Additional railcar storage is available on tracks outside the terminal. Located less than a half-mile from Highway Route 1 and less than 2 miles from Interstate 95, the facility is inside a 60-mile radius of Washington, D.C., Richmond, Charlottesville, and Hopewell, Virginia. Scheduled rail switching service is available 5 days per week, Monday through Friday. Buckingham Branch is a customer-focused short-line railroad offering multiple connections to CSX and Norfolk Southern railroads. Drivers will be pleased with the flexible hours, ease of access, wide lanes, and nearby truck stop. This facility can accommodate a variety of liquid or dry bulk commodities, including some hazardous materials. Whether your business requires a self-service track or a skilled transload operator, Buckingham Branch can provide an economical transload solution that meets your logistical needs. For more information, please contact our Manager of Sales and Marketing, Brian Freeman. Buckingham Branch Railroad. Solid team, flexible solutions.